After age 50, a silent process begins that steals your bone density year after year. You might think that taking calcium is the answer, but that is only half the story. Calcium is just the building material. You are missing the essential construction crew that directs that calcium into your bones, not into your arteries. But what if I told you 3 forgotten foods backed by clinical research can rebuild your bone density fast? These foods work together as a complete system. I have seen this approach deliver powerful results personally. First on our list, and it is a big one, is fermented food, specifically sauerkraut. This is not just a hot dog topping. The fermentation process creates vitamin K2, a nutrient that acts as the foreman on your bone construction site. Randomized controlled trials show that vitamin K2 activates proteins such as osteocalcin, which literally directs calcium from your bloodstream into the bone matrix where it belongs. Without enough vitamin K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places. My simple tip is to add just a forkful of sauerkraut to your lunch plate every single day. Consistency here is more important than a large quantity. Next up, we have pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are your magnesium key. Magnesium is essential because it unlocks vitamin D's ability to help your body absorb calcium. Without sufficient magnesium, your calcium supplements or dietary calcium are far less effective. It is the key that turns the entire bone-building machinery on. A simple handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack between meals is an easy way to ensure that you are getting this critical mineral. Finally, let us talk about prunes. Prunes contain a mineral called boron, which acts as a bone protector. Boron helps reduce the amount of calcium your body excretes, meaning you hold on to more of the bone density you are building. Studies have shown that women who ate a serving of prunes daily had significantly better bone density outcomes. An easy way to get this is to blend 4 or 5 prunes into your morning smoothie. So to wrap it all up, this is a complete system. Sauerkraut provides the vitamin K2 to direct calcium, pumpkin seeds offer the magnesium to absorb it, and prunes supply the boron to protect it. Start with just one of these foods today. Remember, consistency is far more important than quantity. If you found this information helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. I am curious to hear from you. Which food will you try first? Let me know your choice in the comments below. Thank you for watching Bone and Joint Health. Stay strong, stay well.